what did you see in those minutes and what allowed you to seal the victory in this game?
Nag-step up lang naman yung defense ng Phoenix, no? They pressured us a little bit and we couldn't find a good shot consistently, and the good shots that we that we were able to generate in our offense, we missed it. Pero that's just the way the game is, and we have to learn how to break the streak. Kevin made a big shot. We made big stops, which is important for us. We made big stops, so that's why we were able to, to hang on in today's game.
Coach, a couple of players in and out of the lineup due to injuries and for other reasons. Berto's back, and I believe your rookie is JL Capulong is also in the lineup. These uncertainties, how has it been affecting the way you guys play?
Wala naman. That's just the way the game is. One is injured, one has to step up, and that's why you have 15 players in the team. So if one is injured, then someone should be able to, take advantage of that opportunity, the playing time that he will get. It might not come anymore, kumbaga. So take the opportunity and play the best that you can.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, ano naman sabi mo sa nilaro ni Kevin considering last season was really adjusting sa coming up with injury?
Yeah, hindi naman, I talked to Kevin naman before. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, your minutes are not as much as before, but as long as you get healthy day by day, then you will get your minutes back. Pero syempre, as long as he is playing well, alam naman ni Kevin yung role niya, then he will stay in the game like in today's game. Ganda yung laro ni Kevin ngayon. And I'm happy for Kevin that I think this will be, if I'm not, this might be your breakout game, diba? So I'm very happy for Kevin in today's game. Na yung laro niya ngayon, muntik pa kami matalo. I mean, medyo positive.
Kevin, sabi mo before the season na there's no excuse for you not to be mas maganda yung lalawin mo this year than last year. Now, your third game, 26 points. Kano ka lang yung pakiramdam na yung goal mo kahit paano third game the season achieve mo?
Playing well is all by God's grace, and then Coach Jong, nag-practice kami siguro mga 2 months ahead of the season, so we really practiced early, and siguro as I've said na sinabi ko rin sa teammates ko na we're putting pressure sa sarili namin because yun na nga, gusto ko rin, personal goal ko para sa team namin is to be a consistent playoff team, and of course make it to the semifinals. So yun na nga, siguro Coach Jong's yung pinag-practice kami ng maaga is kasi we're not as talented as the championship contending teams, but ang chance namin to compete against those teams is be consistent sa system namin. Talagang araw-araw niraran namin sistema lang namin para ma-master namin na pagdating sa game, nagiging second nature na lang na pag may depensa binigay sa amin, we know any counters na magagawa ng depensa sa amin.
Coach, yung thoughts mo sa laro ni Berto after yung mga nangyari na
Siyempre, mahirap naman yung nangyari kay Berto, no? His father passed away, so hindi naman ganun kadali na ma-recover, especially that he is playing. And, give him 2 games. Ang hirap yung 2 games na wala ka eh. Iba yun eh. So nakita natin sa laro ngayon, wala pa siya sa, I would say, maybe game shape or game timing. But maganda yung mabuti nanalo kami ngayon, and then he was able to get back his timing. So next game, magiging mas ready siya.
Coach, si Capulong lang, ano lang nakikita mo sa kanya this conference?
Hopefully that, bata pa naman si Capulong eh. So we are trying to ease him into the system, both offensively and defensively. Hindi naman siya maglalaro ng major minutes right away, but we will have to break him in slowly. He shows some potential as a big man. Siyempre, iba yung MPBL at iba yung PBA. So we'll see how that will translate to PBA.
That's it for our post-game press conference. Congratulations.